Hey guys, and welcome back to the Ringer 57 YouTube channel. Today is unboxing day, so I hope you're ready to see some real pretty stuff. If you saw the thumbnail, you already know what's coming. Please enjoy the video. Welcome back to the Ringer 57 YouTube channel. Today is one of the big days. We only got 4 packages. Some of them are multiples in one. They're all the Amazon deliveries. There's 2 more from eBay coming. They're going to be here 14th to the 16th, and 2 more from Amazon going to be coming. So I think we're going to start out smaller. We'll start out with what our next step in the process is going to be here, guys. Our next big step of what we're going to work on is the vinyl. Oh baby, that is a very pretty metallic matte blue finish. I like it. I think I can live with that. Set that over here on top of the box. Okay. Which leads me to this box. This is the other half. So it's actually probably multiples in one. This should be, it's from an Amazon fulfillment center. Yep. It is the Vivid Wrap install kit. It's multiple in one. It's also got my soft loops. These are the loops that will go around the bike, and then the hooks will hook too to strap it out. That'll prevent it from wearing and rubbing on the bike too much. The Rapid Tack. Oh, Lord, they wrapped the snot out of this. Rapid Tack cleaner and application fluid. Small bottle, don't need a lot for what we're doing. We can always get more later. And of course, lastly, and most critical, the actual Vivid install kit. Comes with heat focuser, squeegee, felt covers for the squeegee so I don't score it, and of course, heat gun. We'll see how good it is. It's the one that Vivid recommended for the kit, so that's what we're gonna go with. Plus, it was cheap. We're looking at, so far we've opened, this box was 38 and change, or 40, $59 in wrap, about $20 in other odd stuff. So we're still in the low end of the budget on the unboxing here, and these vehicles are going to drive me nuts, but it is what it is. Now we're going to start stepping up in the budget a little bit. Larger. We're going to end with the grand finale, but yep, this is exactly what I thought it was. This is for the trailer. It is a motorcycle wheel chock kit. It's not the most expensive one in the world. It's also not the cheapest one on Amazon because, well, I'm trusting $1,600 worth of bike plus the $4,800 I'm in on the bike. Comes with the carriage bolts, hardware, spacers, all the good jazz. A dear valued customer tag. Dear valued customer, we sincerely thank you for your business. We try our best to keep the cost low and pass savings to you. In return, we simply ask for your honest, positive feedback. They'll get it. That's actually a lot heftier than I expected, but roll through here and it kicks up on the back tire, helps hold it in place. This is more or less just because I can strap the bike forward as much as I want, and I can control my acceleration all I want, and the bike won't go off the back. But braking is something that is out of my control if a situation arises, so I want something to stop it. where this comes in. And lastly, this is the item we've been waiting for the longest. I've never had a brand new one. I've always had hob jobs and patch-togethers, but with what we've done, we wouldn't get very far. Yes, baby. Vance and Hines. We're going to set this up on the table here. We're going to unbox the box. Sounds like there's rattling in there. I really hope it's not damaged. It was the last one that they had, so replacements aren't going to be easy to get. I'm sure I can work with Amazon if there is an issue to get it resolved. But this is the pretties. This is all of the pretties. Oh, baby. Oh, yes. Not seeing any damage so far. That is a whole lot nicer. A couple welds in here that are in really bad spots. Would you deburr them? They're tacks on the outside, but they wound up being a blow-through weld on the inside, so I'll take the Dremel and clean them up so it's smooth like I want. There's polishing rag in here, but there's that pretties. That's all the pretties out of that box. And here's the big pretties. The part everyone's going to see is that Sidewinder, but they're still going to be looking at this. And this is also the reason why I'm not going to be able to register this freaking bike anymore, because if I go in for inspection, they're going to see this and get mad unless I modify it. Daylight, anyone? That is a megaphone with no baffles. Kind of surprised this didn't come with a clamp. I may have to dig a little further into this box. No, there is no clamp for that. It just literally slides on there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing those unboxings. We're not going to get very far on anything tonight. We're going to start dinking with some wrapping, and once I get the feel for it, we'll shoot some footage of it. I'm probably going to scrap a lot of wrap getting this going, so watch for another video in the next couple days. We'll see. Still waiting for a call from Extreme on the head, and a few other packages to show up. Still need to order a gasket set. That'll be Friday, and then we can start putting this thing together. Oh, the studs, the APE studs. I have to see if Extreme has them on hand. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go ahead and order them, and they'll be another week. I can't push much longer than that. Otherwise, I'm not going to get any tuning time. It's already looking like I'm not going to be able to get dyno time before Cleetus and Cars, so we're going to take it to a local shop here with an old timer that used to have a dyno, and we're going to do some static tuning and then a little bit of street tuning and see if we can get it running real good and safe. Probably be a touch rich. I'll probably valve plugs, but I can deal with a touch rich to start with, and then we can blow the carbon out later. So, thanks for watching, guys. Have a beautiful day.